Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will be doing a makeup look for Navratri or Diwali. So I'm prepping my face by using this primer called as Makeup Revolution by Inglow. So I will link up all the products there. So yeah, so before priming my face, I have used the moisturizer, and before that I have used Estee Lauder serum. So I can able to show you. Okay, so I have used the serum twice because for that extra glow. Okay, so I'm basically applying a generous amount of serum after the moisturizer, primer, and then yeah, so that extra glow will come. Okay, you can see my pores has been minimized by using this primer water by Makeup Revolution. As I said, I will link all the description below so that you can buy the same makeup. Yeah, so after the prepping is done, so basically I will be doing the eye makeup first, which comes for the eyebrow. Yeah, so I have used the angular brush, as you can see. So I have used the basically the Maybelline the nudes palette. So the color I have used here is just above the black, if that makes any sense, because that is the brownest shade ever in the palette. Yeah, so basically do not use any black shadows because that will be highly visible in your eyebrows. Basically I've used the basic eyeshadow palette for my eyebrows because I'm running out of my makeup due to corona thing, and I'm like getting busier day by day. So yeah, so I'm just doing my brows and setting it with a little bit of brush. So I've used a setting spray in the brush, and I'm just brushing it off so that it will look more kind of more in place. So yeah, after that I have used the concealer in my eyes because so that the eyeshadows will be more visible. So guys, do not get discouraged by seeing this because I have used a generous amount of concealer. Anyways, that will be covered and that will not look whitish. Okay, if that is a word. Okay, so maybe I'm looking like a ghost here, but guys, watch till the end because it makes sense by using this. So I'm using a fluffy brush to put an eyeshadow on. So I have used this palette. Okay, this is also by Makeup Revolution. So I have used the lightest brown shade in the palette. So I'm basically doing my crease part. Okay, I have used the three of the shade. One is brown, and then after that little more brown, and after that the darkest brown color in my lids. Okay, so basically now I'm applying in the crease, and after that, as I've said, up the lightest brown shade I'm applying in the second part. Yeah, just below that. Yeah, so yeah, I'm doing it like that. And you can see my concealer has been covered. Basically it is not looking as as whitish or as glowy, you can say. Not glowy basically. Yeah, by using the fluffy brush and by depositing the color and the blending it is a lot easier to do with a fluffy brush. This is a basic brush by using the website called as Shein. So I ordered it from Shein, but now it is not available. So hopefully, I think I will link a description similar to it. Similar products I will leave it, and below to my eyes I will applying a brown eyeshadow by using the brush which is available with the palette. So yeah, and joining those lines with my eyeshadow so it will look all sharp at the end. Yeah, so make sure your both eyes look similar. It can be different in a certain way that people cannot see it, but you can make it like that. You can, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, I think it's all done. Okay, after that applying the Nykaa Kohl Kajal in my eyelids. I don't know guys, I'm a little bit scared to put the kajal in the upper lash line. I don't know, something something happens when I apply that. Some tears will roll out or something will happen. So I'll just practice it and show it to you guys in the coming video. Yeah, so I'm practicing that also, but as of now I'm just applying it on my lower lids. Yeah, so it's all done. So yeah, you can see the eyes part is all covered, the eyebrows are done, and the shadows are done. Okay, so next part is using the foundation, which is Nykaa Skin Genius. I am in the shade 03. Yeah, putting a little amount in my back of my palm and using the brush, putting all over my face by just putting the foundation in my face where the color should come. And after that I will blend it with my sponge. So by using brush, what happens guys, basically it will not look cakey, or the foundation sometimes be large amount in some of the areas and some will be like the less amount, so it will be uniform by using the brush like this and then using the blender. And guys, do not forget your neck and the ear area, otherwise it will look all different. Yeah, so I'm just depositing the foundation in my skin. I'm not dragging the sponge, you can see. I'm just pressing it on my face. As you can see, it makes a huge difference when I'm doing it with my beauty blender. By the way, this is from the YBP. You just have to soak the blender or the sponge in the water and then squeeze it out and put it in the tissue so that you can able to use it for your foundation. Yeah, so this is all done. Sometimes I do use this sponge as as applying my face powder after doing the makeup. So yeah, so this is all done, all set. So I am proceeding towards my next step, which is like applying the powder and the contour. Okay, so basically I do contour in my areas like nose and yeah, so this is in jawline. I'm using the NYX palette here. So before using the contouring, I have to apply my Fit Me powder throughout my face so that my foundation will be set throughout. Yes, I haven't applied any kind of lip balm guys. I don't know, my lips are pink and all. Okay, so I'm enjoying this color right now. Okay, by setting all the powder, everything is done. Yeah, so I'm using the angular brush. Basically in the powder brush you have the angular also, the little bit angular brush or the normal brush will also do. Okay, so applying a little bit concealer because I think my concealer will crease or the foundation will crease. Okay, so this is the lightest amount I have put as a concealer. Again blending it with my YBP blender. Sorry, blending sponge. This is all set guys. After powder also I have applied a concealer. After that I'm applying the powder in that area. So basically what the makeup artist told us is like you should never see down while applying concealer because it will crease as soon as you look down for getting the powder. Okay, so this is the pro tip I can give you here. Yeah, so that you can able to apply it. So basically when you do the contour, start from your ear to mouth. This is the contour line, starting off your ear and basically from your lips. Okay, so you will never go wrong with this method guys, trust me, I have done it all. So yeah, blend. I think the NYX palette is pretty good for for using this kind of the texture and the brown color. Your contour powder should be one shade darker than your foundation basically, and your highlighter should be one shade lighter than your foundation. So basically this is a basic math people use for doing their makeup. Yeah. So you can see that, okay, so this amount of toast is very good for the skin. Yeah, so basically I'm applying in my jawline area where the shadows will fall, not on my neck. Basically, if you can see in my chin area, so above the contouring I have applied the cinnamon powder, like the cinnamon blush powder from Color Bar. I will leave the link in the description. So just above the contouring you have to apply the blush. Isn't that a good color? After that, a highlighter, of course. I personally like the highlighter most because this is my favorite part of makeup for that extra glow. Yeah, right now I'm contouring my nose. Okay, and after that I will highlight the center of my nose by putting all the artificial shadows there. Yeah, that's a glow ball. Am I looking good? Yeah. So please subscribe to my channel, guys. If you really like this video, please do subscribe. Okay, after this is a time for lipstick. Okay, I haven't done the mascara, but I'm too excited for the lipstick before. So this is in the shade Nika Claudry. Okay, is that a good name? I don't know, I don't remember now, but I will leave it in the link. Okay, so this is a perfect pink color I'm looking, because this will match. This will definitely not a matchy kind with my sari, but this is definitely a close color. I do not like all matched up, guys. I just like the closest color of my sari, but not the exact color. Yeah. After that I will apply the mascara. This is the Maybelline mascara, the Push Up Drama one. Okay, I am applying in the upper lid and the lower lid both, so do not forget to apply in the lower lid. Yeah, so I think the makeup is done almost. So right now it's time to get on some jewelry. Yeah, so this is the jewelry by Gehnoor. This is an Instagram, jewelry store. So there I got it last year. I'm applying a bindi by using my eyeliner. So this is a desi jugaad I have done for this makeup. Yeah. So this is my look, guys, for Navratri. I just have to open my hair a little bit and will show you guys, like, this is not over the top makeup look, but a very simple look you can carry out in Navratri or Diwali. So guys, please do like and subscribe my video and comment down below what do you like, which part you like the most. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.